5 NFT tools you must know. How to find NFT early and sell for profit. Welcome back to Metaverse. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 NFT tools you must know and how to find NFTs early and sell for profit. What are the essential tools for finding amazing projects? When should we invest in those projects and how we keep track on them? When is the optimum moment to profitable sell? So if you're interested to know the answers to these questions, then do keep on watching. Number 1. NFT Rarity Tools. Great Rarity Ranking Tool. The first tool is the Rarity Tools. Rarity Tool is basically the site that ranks rarities of different NFT projects. How to locate good deals using Rarity Tools. If you go to collections, you can search for any projects that you want to see. But these are all the top projects right now. CryptoPunks, Bored Ape, Yacht Club, Mutant, Apes, Cool Cats, and all the cool ones. So if you go over to Dodgebound, for example, you will see the page of collection right there on the left side. You can go search the ID of whatever your actual thing is. You can see right here all the traits that are on its Dodge, and you can see that the floor prices of each of those traits. So for your gold earrings, the lowest floor price of any gold earring trait is 3.85 Ethereum, which is one of the most rare trades you can see right now. And only 152 of all the dogs actually have the traits. So you can go and click that, and then if you go back here, you'll be able to sort all the dodges in the collection by ones that only have gold earrings, and then you click buy. Now to toggle on ones that are only for sale. You can see all the ones that are for sale with a gold earring right now, and it's sorted by rarity as default. So the rarest dodge is number 33. Overall, the dodge has a gold earring, but if we want to sort by lowest to highest, you can then see the floor price of that trade. And like we said before, it's 3.53 Ethereum, so it's safe to say that the gold earring is a pretty rare trade because it's got a pretty high price floor. Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT Hot Deals. Let's quickly look at another project real quick. The Bored Ape Yacht Club, for example. If you wanted to look only spend a maximum of 50 Ethereum, you can type in 50 right there, and then it will sort all the collections by apes that are only under 50 Ethereum. You can see right here all the ones that are in 50 Ethereum, and since it's already defaulted to sort by rarity, we can see the rarest ape under 50 Ethereum is 7737, and it's ranked as 3516 overall out of 10,000 in the collection. And the best to use this website is to find great deals on NFT you want to buy. Cool Cats NFT Hot Deals. The price floor over the lowest price right now is 7.7 Ethereum. So let's go and click buy now to toggle that on then. And we'll go into sort of the low to high. And what we immediately going to see is the price floor right. This is the lowest for the sale Cool Cat on the market. 7.7 Ethereum, and there's a couple of these. There's 3 that are 7.7. Then goes to 7.8, 7.9, etc. But what we're going to look for here is not the lowest price. We are going to look for a good deal, meaning we're going to look for a cool cat that on the top here, which is the rarity rank, is a low rarity, but it's also one of the lowest price ones. That way, we're going to a better ranked rarity. For a low price, keep in mind that these are all numbers on the bottom, are just the IDs of each of these. These aren't the rarities. The rarities are on top. So you can see right here, this one's 7,000, ranked to 9,000, ranked to 9,000. This one is almost the bottom 8,000, 7,000. These are all very low ranks overall. But if we scroll down a little bit and keep looking, we can probably find one you can see right here. This is one of the 5,000 rings, so that's better, but it's still not that great. Anything in the middle of the pack or the top of the pack is always going to be floor material. But right here, we can see this one's 27.53. So this one's in the top 30 of the raries. And however, it's a 9.45 Ethereum, so it's significantly higher, almost to Ethereum higher than the floor price. So right now, based on what we're seeing here, is once also a 2,900, but still that's closer to the top 30 right now. All the ones listed over here are pretty low on the rankings, so we would say that there are no good deals on the moment. However, sometimes you will find that there is actually good rarity rank score for one of the ones that are near the floor, and that's when you know the pretty good deal. Number 2, Rarity Ranks. The other tool I'm going to show you guys is Rarity Ranks. The Dodge Pound team actually made this tool so pretty, it's sweet, similar to Rarity tools on their website. You can see the different collections that they have here, but the best thing I like for this is actually for their extension. If you go over here, you can install the Chrome extension. All you do is click install and boom, done. And then I'll pop up and right over here, so you can, when we go over to the OpenSea and we search for Dodge Pound, for example, because we definitely know that it's on there, and it will automatically show us the ranks right below on OpenSea. If you're new to NFTs, this rank right here will not show on NFT and OpenSea. Regularly, you will be able to see the dog ID, but you won't be able to tell its rank right away. So if you go ahead again and click the floor price, it's around 2 Ethereum right now, and we can easily, instead of having to go to Rarity tools and do what we just did, we can just do it right on the OpenSea now, and it makes OpenSea a lot easier to use as far as searching for good deals, and it's all done with a Chrome extension, which is really great for products that are on the site. So you can see here 6,000, 9,000, 6,000, and there's nothing too great on the floor, and there's one 5,000, so it's not terrible, but there's here and the 3,000, that's not too bad, and it's 2.42, so it's a little bit above the floor. It's not that, you know, it's not a very expensive, but it's still a pretty good rarity rank. But anyway, the Chrome extensions allows you to see this all on the OpenSea, so you don't have to go to an external website like Rarity Tools. You can surf OpenSea and see any projects you might stumble upon. You can see the rarity ranks as long as Dave Rarity Ranks site. It's a new website, and Dave's still improving it, so there's not a ton of projects on it, but yes, but the Morgan added to it, and it's really nice to have the Chrome extension so you can see it right on whatever platform you're looking at. Number 3, Dune Analytics. The next tool is called Dune Analytics, and this is a tool that is used for analytic tracking of NFTs. Now, for things like crypto and stocks and other things, obviously, you look alike at the charts to see how highs, lows, supports, areas, technical analytics, do all kinds of different stuff on the chart to determine the price action of particular crypto. But for NFTs that's still relatively new, Dune Analytics does a fantastic job for being able to track the important data that you want to see for NFTs. And trust me, it is important that you track the data and looking at projects that are analytics as opposed to just how the community is and how the art is. It is really important to have some data-driven analysis to determine which products you want to buy into. NFT market analysis. As you can see right now, this is on the overall NFT market analytics. You can see the overall NFT volume. It's actually come down quite a bit since August when it peaked, but it's still holding pretty sturdy overall. You can see some of the top projects. You can see all the different kinds of stuffs on this one. So we're going to be Broad API Club because it's one of the biggest ones. You can sort up here by interval of the daytime, hour, whatever you want to do, but most important thing on its side is looking at the floor prices at the end project. This is a good graph over time from the April all the way till now, and you can see the average floor price each day of the board. API Club, when you look a project and you can say, hey, this project may be 2 months old and its floor price is up really high right now. We'll see where the price has been in the past and has held sturdy. You can see Board API Club and has been holding a 40 Ethereum floor, give or take, on the days since the middle of August. So several months now it's been holding this 40 Ethereum price floor. That's a sign of a good stable project that has a strong community behind the collectors. And this space really believes in the project that it's not getting these massive bumps and dumps. We don't want to see any of that on the projects we're buying in because very hard to predict where the price floor might be in the future. You can see all the different kinds of data. You can see the top sales. You can see who owns the most of them. The floor prices over time. You can see the volume. You can see all the kinds of different data depending on which project it is. And then you can favorite all these different projects that you like and to look like. This is one of the really clean looking dashboard. Dodge Pound NFT floor tracking. You can see the number of dodges to the top holder owns, so you can see how decentralized the project is. You can see the current floor and the average amount each person owns, and there are some peaks when good things happen to project. And then those things dumped after that's natural behavior. And you can see right here it's been up pretty good for a while. It's coming down now because it just released the launch for the JRNY crypto partnership. Right, they're so going home to come off that the price a little bit, but the important thing to me is that it's trending upward over time, and it's very difficult to see this on a platform like OpenSea. It's almost impossible to find this analytics anywhere else and see if easily, so visualizing this data is really important. Number 4, Nansen AI. Another site that does that really well in Nansen AI is difference between Nansen and Dune Analytics is that the Nansen will cost you $150 a month. For the platform Nansen, it is a better platform right now. It's got a lot of really great tools, especially for NFT. The problem is $150 a month is not affordable to a lot of people. Especially maybe some of you guys watching this video, you'd much rather spend that $150 on minting new products or investing as opposed to paying to a dashboard, especially when you can get very similar analytics to another project, specifically in NFTs for free. With doing analytics, you can see right, it lays out all the data you want to know really well. It shows you the blue chip NFTs, their price targets, their price tracking, over time floor prices, volume whales, and the price space. It tracks whales, specifically account holders that have a million or more portfolio in NFT. So you can see right here, hot contract smart money, token god mode wallet profile smart alerts. It's got all kinds of different stuff right here. This is another one at the NFC god made you. You can see right here is the board API club keeping and the same as other ones. You can see it's got volume over time. It's got price and Ethereum over time. Minimum price, average price, all kinds of different data, and you're going to see. Whale watching. See what big wallets are buying. You can also look at specific whale wallets that anyone's wallet really to see what they've been doing over time. So if there's anyone that you want to follow, that's really good in the entity space that you want to just kind of follow their moves or see what they're doing. You can track them really easily and get alerts from Nansen through their website. Really great graphs, really great data analytic visuals, and so it's definitely a recommended product. The problem is that it's $150 a month, and even for me that's quite expensive. So you're gonna have to really commit to making a return on investment. If you're gonna use Nansen AI, you pay that $150 per month. Number 5, Rarity Tools. Okay, the next tool is back to Rarity Tools because they have an upcoming NFT sales. One of the biggest questions that people ask is how do you find these projects? Well, the easiest way to do it is to find an NFT calendar, and there are a bunch of different sites. Rarity Tool has an upcoming NFT section where you can go and see all the NFT projects they have listed. Keep in mind, some of these are sponsored, some of these are paid, by Rarity Tools. They charge people to put their projects on the site, so you just know that some of these projects are actually paying for this kind of advertising. And Rarity Tools isn't always picking the best projects. They've picking people that pay them sometimes, so keep that in mind. Another one is the next drop dot. Is you can see all these kinds of sloppy websites. To be honest with you, but you can see some of the projects have going to be on here. NFTcalendar.io is another one that they have one as well. But the best one I found so far is NFT Go. It's pretty much in beta at the moment. But if you go to their NFT drop selection and click learn more, you can see that theirs is the cleanest looking site. It's got the project name, it's got the price, total date, and you can actually see all their links right here. You can even go their mint site right here, and it's quick and easy to see all the different places you can go, all the different projects that are available, and how much longer until they've actually launched. You can sort all the by day. It's all in one spot, easy to analyze very quickly and check out. Or could you easily just sign up for my Patreon that get actual based related projects on an NFT calendar each month delivered to you super easy, and you can see the return on investment on those has pretty good. So instead of having to wade through all this kind of work yourself, and you guys get the best projects that you should be looking at each day. What's minting now? That's hot. And one more site, it's what's minting.live. This one's once more what's a minting right now situation. You can see the top entity contracts activity. This one basically shows which project that are minting today are hot, which one has a lot of traffic. Again, this site's kind of hard to read. It's kind of hard to understand. You can see the transactions and gas price graph. It's kind of like a heat graph, but evenly like it's not really clean and easy to determine what's going on, and each one you can see it's a little bit confusing. You can sort it by time frame here. And there you have it, guys. Those are some of the best tools that you might need to know. So what are your thoughts about this topic? Do you find this video interesting? Please leave me a comment down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video.